Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit slow motion video in Galaxy A55 5G. So first of all guys, we have to record a slow motion video first. So just go to more option and tap on slow motion. Okay. After that, just record a video and then stop it. Okay. After that, now go to the video. As you guys see, slow motion video is now working. And if you want to edit it, so just tap to edit option. Here you can set up the speed from this bar. Like I want to do a slow-mo from this frame, so I can set it from this bar. I can also set a filter in the slow motion video, and from this icon we can set up the brightness, exposure, highlights, shadows and all. Okay, now just click save as a copy. As you see, the video is now saved. Okay, now let's preview. So as you guys see on this frame, my video is now slow. And if you're talking about the previous video, so that time the video was slow at this frame. So this is how we can edit the slow motion video in Galaxy A55 5G. So that is it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.